don't even know what to say. Is it the foundation though, or is it my skin? That's a little weird. This is not going well. This is not going well. Hi, I'm Pat, and welcome to my YouTube channel. On this video, I'm going to check out Il Makiage Foundation and Concealer. This is a brand where they give you a match online and give you a 14-day money-back guarantee. So we're going to check that out. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the little bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a brand new video. Okay, let's jump right on into it. Okay, so I've got two packages from Il Makiage. You can see it says minimalism is dead. I'm holding them both upside down. I placed an order online and it says you get a money back guarantee if you don't like it, which is a pretty good idea. So I'm going to open these up and I'll show you what I got. So here's the first box. As you can see, it says Il Makiage in New York. Alright, and inside here we've got the Woke Up Like This Flawless Base Foundation. And something else. It says ink liner in the color black. So that is the first box. And box number 2 looks the same. We've got black and pink. And inside here I've got another ink liner in the color black. This is the I'm Flawless Il Makiage Concealer. Alright, so that's what we're going to be testing out. Okay, so inside the box it shows how it works. It says these products are yours to try for 14 days starting on the day they were delivered. Love it or return it. If you love them, keep them. If you shockingly don't, visit this website to download your return label and send them back within 14 days of delivery. At the end of the trial, you'll only be charged for the products that you keep. High standards guarantee. We've spent years perfecting our formulas with uncompromising attention to detail. We're confident you'll be as obsessed with these products as we are. Not in love, returns and exchanges are free. Okay, so the foundation color is I Woke Up Like This, which is 010. This is what the packaging looks like. Okay, so that's what the foundation bottle looks like. It's glass, logo on there, and it says Woke Up Like This Flawless Base Foundation. Okay, so I'm going to start off with some primer. I'm just going to put a thick layer of primer on my face as a nice base. The microphone out of here. Alright, so I'm just going to shake this up, open it. See what kind of top we have on here. Oh, pulls off, and we've got a little pumper. I'm just going to use my yellow damp beauty blender. So we'll just try. Actually, we'll put a pump of this on the back of my hand to see the color first. Yeah, it looks like it'll be a decent match. Doesn't really smell that good. That is a very sheer coverage. I guess maybe I didn't put enough of that on. Let's try right on the forehead. Okay, so this is pretty sheer coverage. It's looking pretty natural still. I need more. It is buildable. It is pretty sheer as well. Like I can see my imperfections through, but where I have some pigmentation or discoloration, it's showing through. I'll just try putting more on and see. Maybe you can just build it up. Wow, that's a lot. Wow, that's a lot. It's pretty liquidy. I don't like the smell of it. Okay, so not my favorite formula. It's a little weird or something. It's kind of cakey already. I mean, I did put a lot on, but I was trying to get some full coverage. Now, to be fair, I usually use maybe a more full, long-lasting finish. Yes, I usually use this, which is maybe a little bit thicker. I mean, it looks nice. It's pretty normal looking. Like, it looks like my skin still. Sort of a little bit weird around my eyebrows. Like, it's kind of like chunky or something. I don't know if you can see that. I'm not sure if I have too much or not enough, or if I just need to blend it more maybe. Or maybe the primer isn't mixing well with it. That's the foundation. Not sure how I feel about that. I don't really like it. It feels weird on my skin too. Like, I'm a little bit itchy now. It's drying or something. It's just making my skin look really dry. My skin's already pretty dry, but it seems like it's looking kind of cakey. The back of the box says, smooths and even skin, minimizes the appearance of shadows and pores, enhances complexion, and creates a flawless natural matte finish. The cutting-edge formula offers a unique combination of medium to high coverage and a super comfortable, weightless feeling. Its ultra fluid and easy to blend texture applies effortlessly and enables a buildable coverage to suit all needs. For long-lasting wear, pair with primer or setting spray. Apply to skin using a sponge or foundation brush. Shake well before use. Okay, so I probably should have read that before I started putting it on, but that makes sense. And my skin's kind of itchy. Like, I don't know. Moving on, we have the IL MAKIAGE concealer as well, and I'm excited to try this one because it's called I'm Flawless. Ooh. Nice packaging, all metallic silver. Let's see what we get. Okay, looks like a normal concealer situation. Try some of that under there and under there. Maybe like take it up here a little bit. This color is looking a little bit pink or orange for me. Probably looks good on camera. And I'm just going to take my beauty blender and blend that out. And that blended right out. Like, gone. I don't get it. Like, I can barely see that. Am I doing this wrong? Did I forget something? Like, forget how to do makeup? It just looks cakey, dusty. The concealer isn't even, like, concealing. Maybe put more concealer on? I don't know what is going on. This is not performing how I was expecting at all. Maybe it's just like really light coverage. I mean, it kind of looks like I'm not really wearing makeup, but my under eye area is kind of gray and like patchy. I don't know. And like I'm itchy. I don't know. I think this just isn't working very well for me. I mean, my under eyes do look concealed. I definitely look more evenly skin toned than when I started the video, but like it really, really looks like I'm wearing makeup. Like, this is not. It looks cakey. Like, really cakey. Okay, so just for fun, I'm going to put some of this other foundation on just one side of my face, just to compare what results I normally get. I don't know if you can see the difference even on camera. Looks like it blended right together. What the? Okay, whatever. I don't know. Now it just looks the same. This is not going well. This is not going well. Alright, I'm just going to take my Jeffree Star Translucent Setting Powder and try to set this a little bit. That's a little weird. Well, let's move on and play with a few of the other things I have here. I will also test out the eyeliner in a moment. I have this little mascara palette my sister sent me, and it's got two eyeshadows in it. One of them is sort of like darker color and the other one's really shimmery. So I thought I would just do a quick eyeshadow look with those to test those out. Alright, so this little container is metallic and these just stick right on. So we've got this first color here, which is sort of like a, I don't know, like a, I don't know, it's pretty. JJ. That's kind of like a rust color. I don't know. The other one is super glittery. It's just like silver glitter. Like, woo! Yeah. So those are a lot of fun. So I'm just going to take a fluffy brush here and I'm just going to dip into the GG color. And then I'm going to just go right into my crease with that. Windshield wiper motions, you know. And we'll just pack that on in the crease. Building it up a little bit. And blending it out a little bit. That's kind of a pretty color. I could maybe bring it up a little higher. Oh, the foundation is making this look all chunky and awful. Is it the foundation though, or is it my skin? Alright, so we'll get a full wash of color on there. And then we'll do a halo eye with the silver. Those colors don't really match very well. Okay, so let's test out the IL MAKIAGE eyeliner. Ooh, it's got a super thin tip on it. Wow. You can do the thinnest line with this. Holy wow, it's so thin. This is great. You could definitely do some fun graphic liner with this. You know, like if you wanted to do something like really fun, this would be the one to do it with. You know, if you wanted to do something like whoosh. Okay, so I don't know. This just isn't really working out for me. So I'm just gonna stop here and probably scrap this video.
Walk out the door, you see someone that you know and they ask you how you are, and you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
I don't even know what to say. Oh, I know. I can say, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the little bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. You can follow me on Instagram and Twitter. The links are in the description down below. And I'll see you for another video next time. Bye! Alright, so, because as, but before, yeah. Smooths and evens the skin. So the box. Okay. Okay. I don't even know what to say. Is it the foundation though, or is it my skin? That's a little weird. Okay. Okay, so I probably should have read that before I started putting it on, but that makes sense. And it's my skin's kind of itchy. Like I don't know. This might not be the best formula for me.